Just go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to coupon at Publix. These are some items that I picked up that I would normally buy even if I didn't have a coupon, so it was a win-win for me. So the first item I picked up were these Glade candles. I picked up 2 of them in the scent Clean Linen. I love these candles. They were, as you seen, $3.49 each, and I had $2 off 2. And then I also had a Publix coupon for 75 cents off each. So Publix will allow you to use a store and a manufacturer coupon on one item. So I actually got $1.75 off each candle, which brought it down to $1.74 each. Next, I picked up some Renews It air fresheners. As you can see in the video, they are 5 for $5, which in turn makes them $1 each. And I picked up 6 of them because I have a coupon for buy 4 and get 2 free. So that would be $4 for 6 of them, which will make them like 60-something cents each. And next we're gonna pick up some of these Scrub and Bubbles bathroom gel. They are 2 for $4 this week, and I have a coupon for $1.50 off, which will make them $2.50, so $1.25 each. Next we're gonna pick up 2 of the Fantastic, and they are $2.49 each, and I have a coupon for $1.25, so that would make them like $1.40-something each. And you always check your clearance rack. And when you go to the clearance rack, a lot of the items have passed their shelf life. Food, I know food, I'm not sure about household item, but food has what you call a shelf life. The store can only have it on the shelf for a limited amount of time. So evidently this went past the shelf life and they had to put it on the clearance rack. And as you can see in the video, they are not expired. The expired date is different from the shelf life. So I just wanted to mention that. So these don't expire till next year sometime. So I picked up 4, and each one of them were 85 cents each. And I had a coupon for 75 cents off 2. Even though they're on the clearance rack, they are still the brand. It was off any 2 Roncos. So I paid like 40-something cents for the pasta. On to the wet ones. They were 2 for $4. And I picked up 4 of them because I had 2 coupons. And the coupons were for trying to get the coupon in the video for $1.50. So you have $4 minus $1.50. It makes it $2.50, so $1.25 each. And I didn't want to use the 50-cent off because that's less money I would save. So I prefer to use the $1.50 off 2 because I had 2 of those. I just realized that I have a lot of new supporters here on my channel, and I want to go ahead and tell you guys about this app called Fetch Reward if you're not familiar. So since I've done my Publix shopping trip, I can go in and scan this receipt and get additional points to go towards gift cards. So as you can see, they have a referral this week. If I refer 2 people, I'll get 7,000 points. And as you can see up there right now, I have 20,000 points, which is equivalent to $20. And I wanted to put out an invitation for you guys to download the Fetch Rewards app if you're not familiar. So with Fetch Rewards, what you do is download it. Here is the icon right here. It looks like a little present. And when you download it, when you scan your first grocery receipt or gas receipt, you will receive points, and the points turn into, you can redeem them for gift cards. So these are some additional points you can get for buying these certain items. I don't buy items just to get the points, but if I just happen to see that they're going to give me an extra 2,000 points for buying Huggies, I'll go ahead and get them, you know, like this weekend opposed to next weekend, stuff like that. But just go on your app and see what additional items you can they have that you can get points for. So this with this Publix receipt, I think I only got 25 points. The minimum you're going to get is 25 points. But it's a lot of, I mean, you have to scan a good amount to get a good amount of points. But so you mostly get your points by referral. So that's what I'm doing now. Oh, I thought I had scanned the Publix receipt. The last one I scanned was 7 days ago, Walgreens. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scan it now on camera. So you hit the little camera. Y'all know how to scan. So try to get the entire thing in the window. Usually it'll have a little green bar letting you know that your frame is good, but this there you go, that tells me that I'm in good frame. So I hit that, and let's see how many points I'm gonna get for my Publix receipt. So like I was saying, I'll have a link in the description box. Go ahead and download that link and go ahead and scan your first grocery or gas card receipt, and you will receive points. You also will get 7,000 points this weekend for referring 2 people. So once you download it, well, that means the whole receipt wasn't in there. So I got to go in and manually put everything in. So once you download the app and scan your receipt, you'll get points too, and then you will get a code to share with your family and friends, and you can get $7,000 for referring them. So that's it. I hope this Publix coupon shopping trip was helpful. I'm going to be doing more because I'm getting back to couponing. I used to coupon a lot, but I stopped collecting all that stuff, and I'm gonna start back, but I'm only going to get the items, you know, I actually use. And plus, I have a ministry where I help people. Well, I mainly focus on elderly people who are on a fixed income. I help them with household items and food. You know, when I get a large assortment of things, I share it. So that's what I'm doing over here on my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're saving money over here. We're just showing you love over here. So that's it. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. And I want to say thank you to everyone who has downloaded the app already with my code, using my code. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yes, if you click the link and download the app, please put my code in. I'll put my code on the screen. I really appreciate it. So I'm trying to get some free groceries over here to help other people. So that's it. This is going to conclude this video. Thank you so much.